Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning. It's around 10 a.m. right now, so I have a group call literally at the moment for my students and I. We're going to dive in. It's like a hour-long call, and my hair is a little bit messed up at the moment. But yeah, for today, we have the coaching call for the students inside of Living Unchained. So if you're watching this right now, I'll see you in the call in 1 minute. Apologies for being 1 minute late. And then, yeah, following that, we're going to the gym at like 3 p.m. But before that, I'm going to take you guys to my favorite place to get beef tartare, raw oysters, and just sparkling water to just maximize the test to the absolute limits before hitting the gym with the boys. I think Sal is coming. He's like this big, this Forex guy. And then Alex, fitness personal brand coach. And then Nathan, who's in Living Unchained as well. So we'll be meeting him there. But then after that, we might go cigars. We might hang out with the girl. Not really sure. It's going to be a bit of a mystery for both you and I, so we'll kind of see how the day turns out there. But I literally just dropped this camera for the first time. My heart almost fucking collapsed just because this camera, I literally just bought it. I destroyed the last camera that I used for you guys for YouTube, the Osmos. I dropped it in the pool. I don't even know if I told you guys that story. I was on the rooftop, getting some pool content, really fire insane stuff. And then first, the Osmos fell into the water. I was trying to grab one of these, and my little elbow knocked it into the pool for just a second. Picked it back up, broken, put it in rice for like 3 days. Still absolutely broken, but that's okay. No worries. It just meant it was time for an upgrade. And then with the drone, was getting some content of Alex and I and the girls, and pretty much I put it on auto tracker, which you can do with the DJI Neo. It has like an AI auto tracking. And with that, if you try to pick it up and try to control it, which is what my girl did, unfortunately, it just dropped like all the way down into the pool, just like the Osmos. So yeah, both of them are down the drain. No pun intended. But yeah, we're gonna dive into this call now. I'm already 2 minutes late now, so guys, I'm very sorry. I'll see you guys. You guys need to stop distracting me. I'll see you guys after.
Be catching up on some sleep. I think he's got some interviews later, so I'm not sure.
All right, bet.
What's going on?
Cool. Yeah, nothing much. Just woke up like an hour ago. I had to deal with like this Indian on this call, so not a good morning, but you can always overcome that. Keep going. He had like 1K to his name, and was expecting Jake to be like Jesus Christ, or what do Indians believe in, like Muhammad Ali or something?
Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali. No, probably Dalai Lama, maybe.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, a quick update on the plans of what's going on. Pretty much we're going to go get a haircut right next door to my place, which is, I think it's going to be like 600 baht, which is like $18 for like the beard, the haircut. It's a very good place, very quick. And then from there, we're going to go try out a different restaurant, just because the restaurant I was going to take you guys to, they don't open until 5 p.m. and we're supposed to be going to the gym at like 3:30, so we're going to try out a different place together. Trying to find a place with like beef tartare, maybe some bread, some oysters to maximize the test before we hit the gym. I think it's going to be back day today, so you guys will kind of see. I think we got like 6 people coming, so it's going to be a blast. We're going to destroy the back and build up that turtle shell. But yeah, right now we're also maximizing the test. Speaking of test, we're diving into absorbing the vitamin D out here in Bangkok. And looking at the pollution, it's decently bad today. It's pretty moderate. It could be a lot worse, but it's not as bad as it looks, if you guys can see. Okay, but yeah, it's a little bit smoggy, but can breathe perfectly fine, strengthening the lungs. It's just like working out, guys. When you destroy the muscle, it builds back up, so it's the exact same thing for pollution. So yeah, enough of yapping. We're gonna go get that haircut in like 5 minutes after I get the test to above 2,000, and then we'll go straight to the restaurant. So I'll see you guys at the haircut place. If it's not busy, I'll introduce you guys to, I forgot his name, but we'll get reminded once we get there. So see you guys there. All right guys, we're at the haircut place now. I'm not sure where the barber is, but we should be getting a haircut very soon. We have like about an hour until the gym, so we might not have time to go out and eat the beef tartare, the oysters, but if we don't, we'll just go over there to the 7-Eleven. It's like a 2-minute walk, 3-minute walk, and just down 2 or 3 coffees or 2 or 3 Red Bulls, whichever one I can find first. But yeah, get this hair cut off a bit, maybe get the beard shaven a bit, but yeah, took modafinil already downed like 3 coffees just 'cause I had like 2 or 3 hours of sleep. So it made up for the lack of sleep, so I feel pretty good. All right guys, we just got the fresh cut and we even got a massage from the barber because he was late. So not a bad day so far. We're here with Alex right now. The other boys should be here soon. Say what's up to the channel, Alex.
What's up, guys?
Slept in a bit for the meeting, but he'll be on there Monday. We have Andrew here as well. I think Ram is here, downstairs, upstairs. He's already grinding. Bet. All right, guys. Alex is here. You gonna say what's up? We'll show you how to make 10K a month with the personal brands.
Yes. This is how you make 10K a month. 3 easy ways to hit 10K a month. First thing, go to the gym and get some muscles. Second thing, learn sales. And third thing, build your personal brand.
Got a white monster.
That was a joke, but still better than most actually good advice.
Guys, I think I'm definitely ingested at least a gram of caffeine today. My heart is breakdancing. Bro, Andrew's in the Sony gang as well.
What's up, fellas? I am. What's up? Nice to meet you, bro. Andrew. Good?
All right, guys. This is Sal here. We're gonna warm up with some pull-ups, destroy the back, and build that turtle shell.
What's up, bro? Also, is something that is just
Nice to see you, brother.
This is like 50% of every business. It's like, might be the book. You just get in shape, you build your personal brand, you learn sales, and you just find a way to make it.
Yeah, never broken. Mr. Ram here.
Who's gonna row the boats?
Come on, your family's stuck under a car. You gotta lift the car up to save them. Yes, sir.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Do that again.
Right now we're doing some weighted pull downs, building up the wings, so we fly to 100K a month.
Look at the watts. Growing by the reps.
How did that feel?
Felt like I was about to go see Buddha at the temple and pay for my sins. Try that.
Let's go, Ryan. Easy work.
How was the new row machine?
New row machine. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
It's not a cable.
What do you recommend?
It's like a strap, and it's silky.
I'm sold.
Bro's on the screen as well.
Who's that cheeky bastard?
Who's that guy?
Alright guys, made a workout snack. Snuff snack. Extra pump. Dialing in on the muscle
Yeah, like I say,
How would you rate this machine, bro?
11 out of 10. You get a very nice stretch, pumping it out. The blood is going straight to the chest, building up the upper deckers.
Shout out to Tono and Ryoji.
Yeah, shout out to the membership prices are rising on the daily. Get in while spots are available.
yeah. Keep going.
Now it's not like before. TikTok
Snus pump has been kicked in to the max.
How's the session so far? You ready for the posing room in a minute?
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna look in the mirror at ourselves, boost our egos a bit.
Bit of biceps first, and then we'll head into the posing room.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Yes. Follow the YouTube boys, Sal Sanchez _.
Nathan, what's your YouTube?
You already know who I am.
The boarding final we understand that this guy knows what he's talking about. Yeah. So now on the car, he actually knows it. You're not some like random guy who just watches whatever. No? Yeah. He perceives you like a car style.
All right, guys, we're in the posing room right now. Obviously.
Mixing, lifestyle, whatever, and then final videos are going to just talk about either like something about nutrition and workout, or either about something about personal life, specifically about like growing down, whatever, sales, teams, whatever it's included. But essentially,
We just hit up about an hour of back, nice and steady. We did lat pull downs to start with, then some rows, a couple bits more on lats, another bit of rows, some biceps, and now we're in posing room. So if you like the video, subscribe to Ryan. Let's go.
Bam. And close some more deals. Bam. All right, guys, we're having a quick feast after the gym. Getting beef tartare, 6 raw oysters right now, drinking some pineapple juice, some soda water, eating some bread, some olive oil with, I have no idea what's in here, but it tastes pretty good. I'll show you guys beef tartare in a second. Guys, I almost forgot to film this for you guys, but already ate 3 oysters so far. Beef tartare is on its way, maximizing the test for success. We have a sales call in like an hour. Thank you, Cap. Alright, guys, as you can see, the beef tartare has arrived. Thank you, sir. POV, just hit a back workout, and now we're eating beef tartare with, I think it's like sour cream. I have no idea. It's like tiny mini blueberries, and I have no idea what that is, but we're about to absorb this into our mouth. No homo. Alright, guys, we're shooting on the iPhone right now. The big camera's in here. And apparently it's like weird to eat alone. I think it's my first time eating like in a nicer place all by myself. You just get a special type of attention, which is pretty cool. Highly recommend if you're in Bangkok or planning to go to Bangkok to go somewhere very nice and eat alone. It's like look at you like you're some sort of alien or something. But yeah, we're gonna go home now. I think I'm gonna cut the video here, guys. So if you guys have watched to this point, it's been an absolute pleasure having you guys spend the day with me. And hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is for you. And I will see you guys in the next one.